Hi there, this is Doreen Velin on YouTube, and I want to do something a little different today. I'm going to fix a shirt, so we're going to try to do that. So stick with me. I'd love to have you. Okay, so what happens was I went to Costco, got a nice cheap shirt for my painting shirt that I wear when I do videos, and I have a problem. My boobs get in the way, and every time I eat, I get crap all over my shirt. It's always right here. And if I have spaghetti, you'll see spaghetti sauce. And my mother was the same. And nothing we can do about it. We're born with them. So what happened was this shirt got paint on it right here. Guess where? And I thought, gee, I can't wear this doing videos. Like, this is not kosher, right? So I was going to chuck it. I thought, I'm going to chuck it. So I had these old, they're called squiggles. Well, this is called Luminaire, and it's a metallic acrylic for clothing. And then I found these scribbles, are called scribbles, and they're different colors of fabric paints. So I got a bunch of them out. I thought, well, I'll get bright colors and see what I can do. So I don't want to do flowers. I'm tired of flowers. I don't know what to do. So I haven't got any idea what I'm going to do. But this is kind of gray, so I thought I'd make that the base. It looks actually looks like a galaxy or something. I could do some galaxy things. Oh, that'd be kind of cool, eh? Okay, let's do that. Oh, I got some cups here. Okay, I'd have to have a plate. Let's do galaxy things. That'd be different. Okay, well that's an idea. So I'll make that kind of like a flying saucer. Look like a flying saucer. Yeah. I'll do a bunch of yeah, I'll do some circles. We'll see what happens. So I want to do my cool ones at the back and warm at the front, right? So you want a warm, cool, push, and I want 3D. So this is warm, that goes to the front. This is cool, that's sort of cool too. That is warm, that is cool. Well, that's kind of warm, it's in between. And then we got black cherry that says, oh, it isn't black. Okay, so then I'll do the warm in the front. So let's put those aside, and we'll do these ones first. And well, these are scribbles. They're supposed to be by themselves. They've got little points on them, so I'm going to try to freehand this. So let's just freehand this. Oh, it doesn't work too good. Squirts out. Get that one going behind there. So that one goes behind there. Okay, I'm going to have to probably pronounce this gray a little bit more. So I'll probably do that with a black. I don't think I have a gray in there, in those squiggles. Oh, this is fun. I like this. Probably won't look like planets when I'm done, or flying saucers, whatever, but the idea is there. Oh, that'll help. Gives it some depth. Okay. I like this. This is fun. I like playing. Okay. So we'll get us some, this is kind of the same pink. I think I won't bother with that one. This is quite pale, so this is prettier. A little bit different color. Maybe I can't I'm going to put this on here. What I'll do is I'll put this on here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that worked. And we'll just take a little paper cup. Okay, it is what it is. You're going to say, oh, those look like planets. Well, no, they don't. But I think they're going to turn into something else now. Looks like it looks like it reminds me of Mickey Mouse ears. Oh, brother. Okay, so let's try some more circles. Put this one in front. I'll make it bigger. I think there's going to be a bunch of circles, looks like. I should never announce it at the beginning what something's going to be, because I have no idea what's going to end up. Okay, now we'll get some yellow. These were at Opus, but I don't know about the quality of them. They should be good. They're at Opus. This one looks weird now, eh? Because it's lumpy and the other ones aren't. So I'm going to do another lumpy one. Let's see. Where should it be? How about down here? Oh, look at it's drying up or something. Look at that, comes off the shirt. Look at that. Comes right off. That's not doing too good. Looks like it's drying up. Don't know if that'll work good. I'll scratch that one. I think I got another one here. Got a few of them. Let's do, how about gold? This looks pretty watery. I want to do this orange one again. There, that's better. Yeah, there we go. Don't apologize, just do it. Okay, now this one will go off the side. Come on, baby. What are you doing? These things maybe don't last too long, eh? These are old. I think they're probably a couple years old. Let's see. Oh, white. Ooh. Let's see if this works. There we go. When I'm pressing down the fabric. It does help to do that. Okay. And I'm just going to squish this pink one down a little bit. It's a bit high, lumpy. There we go. And these were the little tiny pink ones, weren't they? I think I'll do those again. A bit light back there. There. And same with the yellow. Get a bit more yellow in there. Don't want to be in the same circle. I want to make a bit more different circles. Let's get another reality in here. Let's get like that. Get some things happening. And in here, get on top of that black. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, it covered up the mess anyway. And it's not flowers. So, yeah, it's kind of fun. So you'll see me wearing this now. And when you watch my next video. And you're going to watch it, right? Because you have to watch it, because then you'll see my new shirt. So thank you for joining me today. And continue watching and with my new shirt. Thanks a lot.